Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Good evening. Good evening. I think you have R.S. Agarwal with you. Is that right, children? Yeah. Now take out the exercise 6A. 6A. Exercise 6A. No need to solve first and second Romans. They are easy only. See the third Roman. See the third Roman. Find all possible values of x for which the distance between the points x comma minus 1 and 5 comma 3 is 5 units. Let it be A, B. Children, there are 2 points. One is A x comma minus 1, B 5 comma 3, and the distance between them is 5 units. We need to find out all the possible values of x. We need to find out all the possible values of x. Okay. So the other day we have discussed about this. First, what we have to do? We need to apply the formula for the given points. What is the distance formula? Root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Apply the distance formula, children. Root over x1, which is x only. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now insert the values. Insert the values. X minus 5 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. When you simplify this one, x minus 5 whole square minus 1 minus 3, which is minus 4 whole square. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 whole square, minus 4 whole square. So in total, what we will get? X minus 5 whole square plus 16. This is the distance between AB. Good evening. This is the distance between AB. Now, we know that this distance is equal to the given distance. Okay. The distance between the 2 points AB, which is equal to the given distance. So what we can write? Root over x minus 5 whole square plus 16 is equal to 5. And we need to find out x value. I think you can do this one. Squaring on both sides. Do squaring on both sides. So we left with x minus 5 whole square is equal to plus 16 is equal to 25. then x minus 5 whole square is equal to 25 minus 16. X minus 5 whole square is equal to 25 minus 16. Now find out the value x. Children, find the value x. Waiting for your answers. Tanmay, minus 2, 2. X values minus 2 and 2. Okay. What about the remaining? Let me see whether your answer is right or wrong. Girish Nandan says only 2. Shanmukh 2. Indrani 2. X minus 5 whole square is equal to 9. X minus 5 is root over 9, which is plus or minus 3. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాం పోగండి లేకపోతే కూర్చోసుకోవాలి. X minus 5 is equal to plus or minus 3. And we can take x is equal to x minus 5 is equal to 3 or x minus 5 is equal to negative 3. So x is 8. X is minus plus 2. How can you say that 2 and minus 2, right? How you got 2 and minus 2? ఎలా వచ్చింది నీకు 2 and minus? లలిత ఆదిత్య got x 8 and 2, right? లలిత ఆదిత్య right. Only Lalita Aditya right. Tulsi is not there. X is equal to 8 or x is equal to plus 2. So everyone wrong. Next question. Next question. The point A0, 2 equidistance from the points B3, P, CP, 5. The point A0, 2 is equidistant from the points B3, P and CP, 5. Find the value of P and also find the length of AB. Find the value of P and also find the value of AB. This is CBSE 2014 exam question. This question is from the CBSE paper in the year 2014. Okay na? So what to do? Point A is equidistant from B and C. The distance between AB and the distance between AC are equal, that is given, and we need to find out the value of T. So children, calculate the distance between AB first. Distance between AB first, let it be x1, y1, x2, y2. Calculate the distance between AB. Root over given AB is equal to AC. The distances are equal. Given AB is equal to AC. Now what is the distance between AB? Zero minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus p whole square. Root over 9 plus 2 minus p whole square. Root over 9 plus 2 minus p whole square. Now find the distance between AC. Then this becomes x2, y2. Okay na? What is the distance between AC? 0 minus p whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square. 0 minus p, so this will be p square and minus 3 whole square. So in total p square plus 9 root over. Now what we have to do? After getting the distance between AB and AC, what we have to do? No answer. Only 2 people are able to say. After this, after finding the distances, what we have to do? Yes, we need to equate both the distances. So root over 9 plus 2 minus p whole square is equal to root over p square plus 9. Squaring on both sides. Square and root get cancelled. So we left with 9 plus 2 minus p whole square is equal to p square plus 9. So plus 9 on both sides get cancelled. Plus 9 on both sides get cancelled. Now expand this one with a minus b whole square identity. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to p square. Okay. Now p square get cancelled. So we will remain with 4 minus 4p is 0. 4 is equal to 4p, p is equal to 1. So p value 1. Okay na? Good. Next question. Next question. Find the points on x-axis. Yeah, I did the same. I did the same. Square it on both sides. Square it on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. You can do that. You can do that. See, if you see what we have, 2 minus p whole square is equal to p square. 2 minus p whole square is equal to p square. If you take square root on both sides, you will be left with 2 minus p is p. Then 2 is equal to 2p. Then p is equal to 1. You can do that. Lalitha Aditya. Next, find the points on x-axis, each of which is at a distance of 10 units from the point A, 11, minus 8. X, 0, 11, minus 8. X, 0, 11, minus 8. And the distance between them is 10 units. Distance between them is 10 units. Find the points on x-axis which is at a distance of 10 units from 11, minus 8. First calculate the distance. x1, y1, x2, y2. So x minus 11 whole square plus 0 minus half minus 8 whole square root over is 10, which is 10. 0 minus half minus 8. Okay. Now root over x minus 11 whole square plus this will be 8 square 64 is equal to 10. Do squaring on both sides. Do squaring on both sides. So what you will get? X minus 11 whole square plus 64 is equal to 100. It is 100. Then what is x minus 11 whole square? 100 minus 64, which is 36. Then what are the values of x? Children, fast. Values of x. Seventeen and 5. Plus or minus 6, na? Only 17. Only 17, is that right? Let me see. X minus 11 is equal to root over 36. X minus 11 is plus or minus 6. X minus 11 is 6. X minus minus 11, negative 6. 17, 5. X 17 or 5. Okay na? So the points on x-axis are 17, 0 is 1 point, 5, 0 is another point. He is asking to find out the points on x-axis. He is asking to find out points on x-axis. Good evening. So you need to write two points, 17, 0, 5, 0. Next question. Find the coordinates of the point equidistant from the 3 points A 5, 3, B 5, minus 5. And C 1, minus 5. Okay. So there is a point here, there is a point P, and there are 3 points A, B, C. The distance between PA, PB, PC. All the 3 are equal. We need to find out the coordinates of P. That means we need to find out x value and y value. ఆ ప్రాబ్లం ఎప్పుడో అయిపోయింది. ఒక్క 17 కాదు ఆశీష్. X will have 2 values, 17 and 5 both. Now children, calculate the distance between PA first. What is the distance between PA first? Distance between PA. Let it be PA square. Take PA square, not PA. Then it will be easy. PA square. X minus 5 whole square. P is x comma 5 kada. P is x comma y. So x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. This is the distance between PA. Now PB. Again x minus 5 whole square plus y minus half minus 5, y plus 5 whole square. Okay na? Next, PC square, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus half minus 5, y plus 5 whole square. Now we got the 3 distances. We got all the 3 distances. Distance between PA, distance between PB, distance between PC. Since it is given that PA, PB, PC are equal, then PA square, PB square, PC square also equal. Since the distance between PA, PB, PC are equal, The distance between PA square, PB square, PC square is also equal, squaring on both sides. So what we have to do here? First I will consider PA square, PB square. First I will consider this one. PA square is equal to PB square. What is PA square? X minus y whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. What is PB square? X minus 5 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. PA square is x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. And PB square is x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Now simplification. Can anyone say how to do the simplification for this? Simplification, children. What is the simplification for this? No answers? Squaring on both sides, sir. Square root on both sides. Why? Yes, very good, Ritvik. Cancel x minus 5 whole square on both sides. We can cancel x minus 5 on both sides, whole square on both sides. Wrong. Square root on both sides, wrong. You cannot do simplification like that. We can cancel x minus 5 whole square on both sides because on LHS and RHS we are getting the same term. We have same term. We can cancel it. Now, we are left with y minus 3 whole square, y plus 5 whole square. A minus b whole square expansion. A square 2ab plus b square. A square 2ab. Now square root on both sides. Okay, I will accept that. Now square root on both sides. Now put square root on both sides. Y minus 3 is equal to y plus 5. Even see. ఇందాక దాంట్లో అయింది కానీ ఇక్కడ రావట్లేదు చూడండి. Square root on both sides ఇస్తే what we are getting? Y minus 3 is equal to y plus 5. Y get cancelled. We are not getting y value. చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. So ఇందాక ఆ ప్రాబ్లంలో అయింది కానీ ఇప్పుడు అవట్లా. So what we have to do? We need to do expansion. అంటే ఏమిటి అర్థం అవ్వాలి? అన్ని వేళలా అది కాదు. Not always it is true. Square root on both sides is not true in all the time. Square root on both sides is not possible in all the cases. Okay na? Y square 6y plus 9. Here y square 10y 25. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Here y square get cancelled. Then minus 6y minus 10y is equal to 25 minus 9. Minus 6y minus 9y minus 10y is equal to 25 minus 9. Negative 1 right, positive 1 wrong. Answer negative 1 is right. Whoever gets the negative 1 as answer is right. y is negative 1. Y is negative 1. Now, in order to get x value, what you have to do? PA square. In order to get x value, equate PB square is equal to PC square. Do this one to get x value. Fast. In order to get x value, children, equate PB square is equal to PC square, you will get x value. Make it fast. Equate PB square, PC square, then you will get x value. X minus 5 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. So y plus 5 whole square get cancelled. Y plus 5 whole square get cancelled on both sides. And we will be remaining with expand this one, x square minus 10x 25, x square minus 2x plus 1, x square get cancelled, minus 10x plus 2x, 1 minus 24, sorry 1 minus 25, one minus 25. So negative 8x is equal to negative 24. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. So the coordinates of point P are 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. Very, very important model. Tejal, note down the attendance. Note down the attendance, Tejal. I did not see Tulsi Vardhan today also. Yeah, doubt, tell me. Any doubt are here? Doubt you can ask me tomorrow in the morning. Tomorrow in the school, because it will take more time to you to type it. Is that right? So doubt you ask me in the morning. Okay, you can leave children. Dhanyavad. Thank you. Mahaganath.